everyone, I'm Gloria from Best Technology FPC team. I believe all of you are familiar with PCB, so do you know what about FPC? FPC full-length is flexible printed circuit board. Its characteristics are light in weight, thin in thickness, excellent softness, and resistance to bend. With a wide spread of application FPC board, in addition to meeting the requirements of FPC softness, we also need to increase the hardness of FPC areas, such as golden finger area and the bottom side of soldering components. So how do we make these positions have enough support? In January, we will add stiffener materials on the FPC board to improve the hardness according to the customer's assembly requirements. In Best Technology, we commonly use three kinds of different stiffeners, such as the PI, FR4, and stainless stiffeners. Different stiffeners have different functions. PI stiffener is used on the bottom side of golden finger area to meet the total thickness 0.2 or 0.3 millimeters, which we can insert FPC into the connector perfectly. FR4 stiffener is used on the bottom side of soldering components to facilitate assembly. There are many thickness options for FR4 stiffeners. The options range from 0.1 millimeters to 1.6 millimeters. The hardness of stainless stiffener is stronger. It can be grounded with FPC. Its common thickness is 0.1 millimeters and 0.2 millimeters. That's all for today. Next time we will share the difference between FPC with stiffener and rigid flex PCB. Thanks for your listening and see you next time.